Here's Lauren. Nice.
Okay, Lauren, you want to start us off?
Yeah, because the ferry's coming. So, I nothing that past week. Coming week, I hope to order the parts for the level center and big block removed. So, got my taxes done, and I owed less than I thought, so I can order all the parts. That's it.
I forgot to say it is May 1st, 2022. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Go ahead, Carol.
Mike, I can barely hear you, but I think you wanted me to do my check-in. So this week I worked on the summary of the book, summarized chapters 1 to 4, added my comments as what needs to be moved to other sections so that the book has a better flow. And the next week I'll just continue with that. I think it has a good value. And that's it pretty much. No blockers. And this time I have a little bit more time, so I hope I can put some good hours next week.
Okay, I'm going to see whether, there we go. I don't have anything to report for this week. On the book, on the project, I did visit Synertia and take a look at their vehicle again. They don't want any help on the first part of their project. It's going to be probably in about a month that they get a working prototype, and then they're interested in maybe having me come over and do some brainstorming with them. Next week, I'm hoping to get some work done on the Sunfounder and Ross, reload from scratch, and I don't have any blocks. I guess that's over to you, Lauren.
Lauren, can you hear us? You're on mute.
For myself, a 2. For the team, a 9, because we have more people and no process improvement.
Okay. I'll give myself probably a 6, just because I had to put some good time toward the book. The team, exciting. It's probably 9 because we're all here. And I don't have process improvement.
Okay, I'm going to give myself a 4. I didn't really get anything done that I was hoping to get done. Team, I'll go with a 9, and I don't have a process improvement either. That wraps us up. Does anybody have anything for Crosstalk?
I don't.
Lauren, any Crosstalk?
No, and I'm going to drop off now. Good talking.
Okay, I will shut down the recording. Carol, anything you want to discuss? I think you said no, so.
No.
Okay.